is 3 Act Science, which contains 3 different parts to help students understand a concept. So, Act number 1 is where you're trying to engage your students. You might record some observation data or try to develop a question about a certain thing happening. So, what's going to happen is you are going to add a video. So, to add a video, you're going to go to Add Media, YouTube, and then you're going to open up YouTube. Once you do that, you can find your video, copy the URL, add it right here to be added onto the Kami document. So let's say, for example, I want to search, let's see here, science, 5th grade. Let's do this one right here. Copy that URL, paste it here. It's going to get rid of the ads and everything along the side. I'm going to go ahead and insert that video right here. So that way it's ready to go. So again, you want to use this to kind of engage your students. After that, students are going to watch the video and they are going to trace, label, and record their observations on this paper. So they can either do this on paper and take a screenshot by going to Add Media, Camera, and taking a picture of what they just did, or the students can use their notes on this paper, or you can add another sheet below this slide. Next, students are going to find an article. So you're going to have an article for your students. And again, usually I would add that right below this page, so that way they can annotate on top of it. Another cool trick within Kami is you can click right here and do this 2-page view. And you'll be able to see that if I get rid of that cover page, if I had that article, it would pop up right here. So that could also be helpful for students. So they have the directions here, and then they can find those essential questions. They can circle keywords. They can underline the main ideas. They can highlight. They can answer those important questions. So again, 3 bars, 2-page view, and then the students can have those directions and they're able to see side by side. And then the last one is they're going to act. This is where you want your students to make connections and you want them to use textual evidence that they've learned from the video and the article. And so for this activity, I'm using a sketch and tell, which is an EduProtocol, where students are going to draw, so use the drawing tool, what they just learned, and then they're going to tell. Students can tell by using the comment features, or they can tell by using the text box. So again, lots of different great activities by using Act 1, 2, and 3 for your students to do that 3 Act Science.